friend though. Jojo, you are a thief and a criminal. So you came to me to rent expensive clothes and hair to you, only for you to pay me with fake alert.
Juju, see, wait. You rented expensive hairs and clothes with fake alert.
Go here. Go here. Today, you will give me my money. And all my clothes, you will, including this.
PCC, you're creating a scene.
You're not concerned you.
Madam, see, you see this one, when you use them, now talk and do. Anything when you talk, now so you just they do, they go. I've been at this soap. This soap, when you use this soap, you will just attract good luck. You go attract luck, so the luck will tire you.
Madam Jojo, you just say this thing go work.
You did that Yashiki that Kayamata. See, let me tell you something. Most of all these big girls for Lekki, now here they come. I mean, you said they will just meet man, then they say, I want 500,000, I want to buy Benz. They will just buy Benz for you like that. Now this thing they use.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, 100% sure. See, go and use it. Come back and testify the glory of God.
Madam Jojo.
One and only Madam
After
Jojo.
you, now you.
Okay, why? No.
Make I go testament. I go testify.
Sandra, baby.
Juju, you have to stop sulking. Okay, crying will not change anything. All you need to do is just cut down your high rate of fake life living, trying to impress people on Instagram, on Twitter. If not, you keep finding yourself in more problems bigger than this. It's okay.
Juju, you are still trending on Instagram and Twitter. Lagos Slay Queen still.
Sandra, it's okay, Joe. It's okay. It's okay. Don't you think she has heard enough? It's okay.
Sorry, you.
Don't mind her, Don't mind her. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
Sabalo. I know you're around though.
Sandra, seriously, to be frank and sincere, to be polite, you are beautiful.
Sabalo, this is the first time you're complimenting me.
Hey, really? Hi, I'm sorry. You know, I'm a young man with a old face. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey.
So, are you saying you like what you see?
I love it. If any man sees you and did not like you, just know the man is deaf and dumb. Sorry, blind.
Sabalo. Sabalo.
Hey, I'm not strong. I'm not too if I see my voice is cracking.
Sabalo.
Yeah. I'm having a dick. My ear is telling me.
Nah, boy.
Don't blind me. Sandra, so you mean this is what I've been missing? Hi, Sandra, you are wicked. Get out, you are wicked. You gave me snake in the monkey channel. Man, you are bad.
There is more from where that came from.
I don't want to see that moon. Because if I see that moon, I'm dead. I will die. But don't worry, I like it. Give me more. I have to go.
Since you know now, don't you think it's time I stopped paying rent?
You said?
Benefit of.
Oh, benefit. You are right. You are right. If you don't tell me since I trade by barter with you now. If you don't tell me since. Oh, because I go, you want me to come and give you my house rent. You stop paying house rent. I know if you happen.
Sabalo.
What is Sabalo? I don't joke with my money. If you don't pay my money, I will pack you out of this compound. I don't joke with my money. Even if you don't pay me, you pack, you go rent house for another compound. I will go and meet your landlord. I will collect my money from your landlord. And I will tell your landlord you never pay for house rent. Nonsense.
Didn't work.
I'm not going to leave you until you return my money.
Sandra, calm down now.
Not tell me to calm down.
Now, wow.
See, so this is how you go around scamming people, eh? Sandra, it's not my fault that the Kayamata did not work for you.
Hey!
Kayamata! Wow. Juju!
Wait, Sandra. So as you dey like this now, with all this juju wey you carry for front and back everywhere, you still dey find another juju? No, you just go turn yourself to shrine. Yeah! That's shrine you wan turn yourself to. Person wey dey give you the juju, she don use am for herself. Then you no ask for that one. No, not be say I dey try fight you, but have you used it yourself? Na so rat go dey deceive lion. For ask am make she use am for herself. One thing where I love no go see for this Tabalo school.
What? Who put una for this matter?
Hey, Lagos na real work.
So they run this country for my back. You don't let me know. No, I want to help you, but
Madam Jojo,
did it work for
give
you?
me money. Give me my money.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Leave her, it's okay. See your
No, don't touch me.
sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Give me my money.
Leave her. How can a rat be deceiving a lion?
No, it's